these people are fighting.
What we are done. This nothing is telling me.
I love you. Hey, wait, Kijana. Which tribe are you?
I'm a loser.
You are the one. You are begging. You are the one. You are begging to shoot. You are the one. You are begging. Go down. Go down. This is the one is begging. Good at Memorial. San Felix 6 acid. Dilute one. In forbidden philosophy. Baby, this is the one is begging. Hey, what is the matter?
You can't talk to my baby like that.
Relax, calm down. Baby girl, what is not happening? The girl, the boy has just done what?
He's cheating on me.
Oh, cheating on you, yeah. What?
He's not even giving me money.
Yeah. Kijana, you don't have money and you are a Luo. But now we deal with dollars, man. You don't have money. Which kind of value? Yeah? Which kind of value? Relax. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. I'm going to soon doesn't have money. Kijana, I can hit you. You are, in fact, the worst thing you are doing, you are begging.
I can't accept it.
So this man, live and love this man. This is a Luo. That is, in fact, when Kikuyu is in there.
Of course.
Oh yeah, you are Kikuyu. But do this. From today, you are a Luo. Sasa.
Why?
In fact, just the boldness you have just in the Luo was a Kisao.
Yes.
So I've just given you a Chieng. A Chieng is your name now. Sasa. So I'll be giving you some 50,000, or not 50,000, but 500,000. For the just the hair, Sasa.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, bodyguard arrested that person here.
How?
So, baby,
Yes.
that one is very nice. This man, I'm going to castrate him because he does not know how to deal with such ladies like you. In fact, he has just reduced our Luo culture. A Luo backing. The Luo says, baby girl. Ciao.
Yes.
So, baby girl, before you need me, I want to go and show you one of my Mercedes Benz. Bodyguard, take this one to dustbin, castrate him, then you arrest him.
God have mercy upon us.
Let me show you one of my Mercedes Benz.
But I must call the police.
No, don't do this. Sawa.
Again on sana na ngati mabende one go to studio kanyo neno video ma
Eh.
keto kanyo.
Sawa, thank you so much. Let me place my cellular device, yes. And no problem, go on. Sawa.
So well Echekro mare mare okay ngeyo luga chuka wanika endika uono ke Would okay baba igitagi nimekao
My friend, uko sijui nitumie lugha gani iko shanifu shana. Natambia Kiswahili chake ama niko na Kishungu. Na maji. Okingeni wangiuga one mass Jupiter Saturn Saturn. Okingeni something like Lulu is a big problem, but no problem.
So what is the work of all this stuff?
You should be having some etiquette, my friend. In fact, I need you to start this interview again. You should be addressing me like a woman. Use something like barrister, professor, sir, Mr. Engineer, doctor. Actually, I'm waiting for you to start again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome to. I can introduce you, Dulu.
No problem. This is our Chinese.
Karibu echendo maruma ne okingeo kaka wono ntiche bich majaber warwa kuni wendo mabe sana no doctor engineer professor
barrister. Thank you so much, my friend. Yeah.
Karibu sana.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Oh, this is Rainbow TV.
This is Rainbow TV.
Not Rainbow, our blood.
What is the work of all this stuff?
My friend,
Yes.
these are not phones, my friend.
Yeah.
That's a point of correction.
Okay.
You should be saying cellular devices.
Okay.
We don't just use phones, we use cellular devices.
Okay.
Actually, these phones are so numerous. You know, I'm a person of more businesses.
But you have buttons.
Not buttons. These are called boosters. When I'm in an let me bring it in simple term, something simoricomon, yani the network is simoricomon. So I use this one like boosters.
That is simple. That
Okay. But Simoricomon is simple language, my friend. You want me to use Popro Blantura Mountain?
Okay, explain.
Okay. So this one, I don't want to zoom them, Mr. Cameraman. Don't zoom them. You know they are from. This one is I ordered directly from Japan. It's Japan made. I use it to order food to my chihuahua.
Okay.
This one is called. This is not iPhone, but actually this is Samsung. I use it to call Joe Biden, and when Joe Biden wants some dollars from me, that's how I use this one. So this is for our president, His Excellency. I don't want to mention the name, and some of the Kenyan delegates,
Okay.
this is this one.
Okay.
I am talking about this one. This one is all my wives, for all my wives and concubines.
Okay.
So I have so many numerous wives. Actually, I have more than Solomon.
All right.
Solomon, I have 700 and 300 concubines. I have 1,000 wives and 700 concubines. I use this one.
Okay.
This one is for my children. If I want to take them to Jupiter, I use this one.
Okay.
Then this is for my hens. When a hen has hatched or a hen is pregnant, you want to lay some eggs, I use this one. Actually, there are numerous, no need to mention them all. Yeah.
You call hens. You call them with your phone.
Yes, I call hens, the cock. Actually, each and every hen in my homestead.
So your hens has got.
Iko na simu chake hawa. Adi keto ginyu simu.
Koro chakadwa gi nyingi.
Ginyinga. Mabatisho.
Yes.
Introduce
yourself.
This is Jaluo na diam. Jaluo na ba pesa tango.
Tell our viewers your name.
Okay. This is Jaluo na this. I don't have more names, but my name is 3.
Use this Cubias.
Oh, Cubias machine. Is it a German machine?
Yes.
Okay.
A very serious one.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Mabibi short, mabibi shangu nyote na mabwana shao. Inkori baga. I watch dulu.
Tibas.
Koro erokamanu bidoka nyana. Mayu unilu ayuro. To man kan yilu unilu diam. Jaluo na ba. Pesa tango. Onyola pinmoni omabe. But anyolo in one of my palatial areas ko lo Europe and lo moro around ka ibinjo to kinye kumoni Jupiter kanyo ba makelo ibinjo kuran ngat mo ma businesses ne ng'eny sawa. So those are my names. Should you want me to talk about this my palatial items?
Kindly ensure you tell us.
Okay, thank you so much. Ka brought you Kisungu. Kisungu ng'eny sana. This one is not a cape. It's just a dish used to enclosure my knowledge up here. If I remove it, my friend knowledge will explode and they will be tapakaring. The second one, this is purely made of gold. The glasses, you can see. The lens is unseen, my friend. You cannot see it when you are not learned.
Okay.
These are called unseen lens. My friend, if you are learned, my friend, Mr. Cameraman, you can help me zoom that one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You've seen unseen lens.
Remember, akuna.
Akuna what? Not demokitien. So this is called unseen lens.
Okay.
I imported them from Germany.
Okay.
Nagulu German, Koro, only if you are a barrister, an engineer, is when you can see the lens. People not non-learned like you don't see the lens. This is ring. Actually, I was forced to marry the daughter to Joe Biden. So actually, that is why I have not placed it here. So that marriage, I'm not fair with that marriage.
You are not comfortable.
That is why I have just placed it here. The second thing, this is called Akulu.
Yeah.
I know you cannot see if it is functioning, but actually only learned people can see it. By now I can see, in Jupiter, time is up to 25 hours clock system. So actually it's 25:04.
So what is
I should be taking my lunch there in Dubai. Kono kotinani, kingeo siep namoro ni Mr. Pevando Lakoviskov, Kitionsikov. My friend gini kia. Oh, you are still young. I remember, my friend, you are still young, actually.
Okay.
So, Mr. Pevandolakoviskov Kitionsikov, this was a barrister and a doctor at the same time. Koro chef nani. Actually, being that I am from Luo land, no, Angamaja Luo, Aero the Luo. Koro, we were in Nakchot, Australia. We were naming something like periodic table. Oh, Kobudogo Bukoro Mia Potasia. So, being that I was slightly busy, to now Kisumu, I just take the first K. I just gave the potassium name. Koro, yes, sorry for that. So I was talking about this, my Palacio.
Hey.
Mr. Pevandolakoviskov Kitionsikov gifted me this one as a top performer in his English lessons. Ivinja. That is where I brought up the name of tomato. Actually, that is a Luo tomato. Actually, I came with potato. I don't want just a synopsis of what you are giving here. I was the top notch of English in that lesson. So,
The tie.
oh, the tie. This is melanin. It's melanin. At the same time, it is made of polyester. So it's like brass. You know, brass is a mixture of more minerals. Koro melanin makes the melanin or makes the polyester. Actually, cotton is 0.3% in it. Just Mr. Kachuch.
No, mariboti koro wantiere. Wantiere kod gima resta.
Iluonga ni sida.
Ok shida.
Ya jomoko chien ogayawa. Jomoko vigiricho sasa go.
Limio teleza.
So
karibu sana. Mano tende pod wan mana introduction.
Okay.
Mano pod ni wacho mana gima hii.
Yes, absolutely.
So who is good at this?
Okay, in real sense,
Good at this ringa.
what are these? It will penjo an.
Okoro wadhi bidala.
Wabidala. Where diambo? In English, we call Wura diambo as someone who is ambiguous gonosia. My friend, la. Okay. Ngat ma milimil, yani ngat ma just well body, di winjo. Oh. My lens are somehow making problem, no problem. Koro, onyola pin mo nyoma be. O mabe nyuma luka. Oko TV. Pin mo timo? Rabuon. My friend, down mo luka.
Kuma be. Kiswahili.
Ngama kia Kiswahili nyoma be.
Nyiri ok nyoma mabe. Nyoma be yokudhika tedo.
Actually, you could be saying, Nyoma be yokudhika tedo around. They are being imported. Nyaminute do Bangkok, Thailand. Okudhika tedo. Don't worry.
Mano lao pesa.
My friend, wadugu kumena uwe.
Okay.
Aguo kumabe. Kumoni Suba South. Sindo? Ido kimalo mukende village gani? That is my palatial resident.
Okay.
If yange Kiswahili tokajo nakia.
Sorry.
Ade mukende.
Mukende.
Of mark ginene makende. Sorry. Ginene. Yo ni Agembe Hills, Wido. Actually, when you're in my place, in an origi rangwa the Gwasi people, so I'm a person from Momabe. So 75% of my life I spent Kisumu.
Is there any place called Kisumu?
Actually, no problem. In with one bag, my friend. Lower Europe. In me a bag. Lower Europe.
Okay.
When you Lower Europe, just near airport. That is another palatial resident of mine. Yeah. Anyumbo dawa. I only look at the Jahod. Guru, just around there.
Okay.
So, I'm not major business, man.
Okay.
Katasan in the next 3 seconds, I'll be in Jupiter. Sasa. Guru.
3 seconds.
3 seconds.
I'm sorry. Okay, fine.
Kiagi.
Oh. MC, what are these?
Not MC. Jaluo.
Jaluo.
Jaluo person. A pemptic one, my friend. As an linguistic person.
Kore lungi nang.
Actually, calling my name is a bit tricky because you need to pass through some of the the educational level, the blood pressure. We must check before you call my name.
So introduce yourself by your names.
Atopok na introduce kedi.
Adong nyingi koro maluongi ga kia.
Okay. If I start introducing my name, I think 2030 itafika tu. Kama bado nasema lea jina changu sasa. Uniruhusu nitumie Kiswahili sasa. Sasa.
Kiswahili mbele ka ngeni dwa bagen.
Ngadwa bagen.
In mi de bagen.
Jomo kichieno. Go on. Dia mbele usiepna.
Koro Jaluo maguda this. In kaka Jaluo maguda this. In comedian.
Yes, a businessman partly. Na sasa yel jakwara mo. Na chako nyelo kani podane hicho.
Okay.
Nyeni mamwenda lugu kani puduti nga kinye no more sana. Kanipo wuyo kani bet. Mama ine na do sha. Cool. I don't want to, can I mention the okay? No, now I'm in like Jakwara mo. Jaluo da diabo.
Yeah.
Agolo education.
Okay.
Keto pe.
Yes.
Kusarwa ngiyo. Acha. Koro. An kaka nanyiso ne onyola pinyo mabei.
Yes.
Mabei adonge. Lakini kama chuako. Abio kumoni Kisuma biro wena teenager ngeola ogwene but pokagine. Akiadi ogwene but angela ogwe. Thank you so much. Koro. I went to school in Kisumu. So moka ma kuro chopusa makuro ane high school mara.
Okay.
Ananga jilo doing content creation or comedy winyo but na onge weso.
Yes.
Aluorge ne aonge weso. So when I finished my form, actually before finishing form, okay, you said the comedy specifically. Kora wenge mana maoko. Sasa.
Just say.
Okay.
Just tell us who you are.
Okay. Koro nentie gandalomo ni corona. Absolutely, I'm old. I am old, but somehow I'm not old.
Okay. Sure.
Koro 2020 ilinipata form 4. I was about to do my palatial examination.
Okay.
So this thing called corona came. So kaka na introduce myself ni anga businessman ni.
Yes.
I started long ago. Aduogo. Ne one project mapedo year. Don't it na only story. Gidoluo.
Yes.
Kuna kili baba. Achao gipido yen the seedlings, the small one. Actually within the short period of time mar corona ni napido yen mang'eny sana. To kana pido yen.
Yes.
Koro kidino dong mar sikul. Odok mar sikul. Koro napenjora ni wude dhiambo to yende na giater kani winjo. Nochuna na uso yende.
Yes.
No ka uso gi best price. The price man we winjo rego no. Usief na okdanga wuondi. I only get 2,000 out of 16,000. Yaka samu we kodin. Kifeda nege de kanye. Mudu ngowe ne ruo. Sawa. Adok sikul. Kaduogo. Ne poda bando pesa na mari yencha. Jama chanomia pesa matini winjo. The 2,000 I was telling you. Adie nyo gi unu tamos. Ivinjo. Tamos maruso kahawa. Maruso kahawa gi mandazi ivinjo. Otonguluka. Awuso kahawa madi iga ginus ivinjo. Kore ekoru so kahawa ka. Wani yen awuso kahawa kore na pida lot. Kienyeji and skuma and everything ivinjo. I think that is my palatial device. It's somehow no problem, just leave it. Cool. Happy the lot. That is Monday to Friday. Just let me just say, koro mano nentija. Pida lot chio sapaga 3 okata paga chiel. To kachopo sa uchiel ta wuke puodho ade waro gi kahawa duogo uso kahawa. Nyaka sa 2 otieno. Nentiere ga TV moro. Iluongo ni Lolwe TV. Lulu TV nagombo ga dhi. To ne nitie sifa momiyo ni separate. Na ayude Facebook. Separate kae moko wuogi separate, ma separate unyisa niya ka ji dhi shoot iwinjo. Ka ji dhi shoot ma Lulu TV. Abi adhi mondo head mare miluongo ni Chief JJ onena. Na keep time. Ji ne dhi Sunday lakini ana wuok Saturday. A place known as Ahero somehow around here. Na this Saturday kura bedo kumora rito mondo Sunday ni ochopi wi. Achop. Actually nentie kaka na luro kamera but ka wuok ka ad kenda dala kata ka ni puothe nage anyalo go comedy maber machikra maber but ka koro keta ni bwana koro gori gigi my friend nentie kaka no bag. Koro ka I met people slowly winjo nan gi ilo mar ng'egi ni but no kan yani naonge yani something like I was not slowly ghostic in it.
Yes.
Against slowly ghostic kokalo ni but no kagine ne maber winjo.
Ibaga.
Nentie cameraman moro. Actually he was a cameraman to nen bende director marwa and everything, editor of the Lulu TV. Ilungo ni Zeru Babel. That is my Lugubia's friend. Actually, I'm very sure now he's in Kailuna there. Hey, Zeru chantiere ginene yo Japan con. Tokyo actually. No Tokyo, he told me in Kumamoto. In Japan, sawa. So ngani no nyisa actually no na nyen ngat mo odisi cool winjo. Koro and something like experience in this thing called comedy. Koro onyalo spot from far ni boy ngani ber lakini gima chande
Luar, yes.
Finja. No shoot Ahero dadako tongulu. To Zeru Mr. Director ni vukta Finja. Koro na spot ato ni podo kayangora nikibina luro jisana. Koro kare koro nwadugo koro mia left na bede boot kanyu anuka bede boot adwa ketho nyigi jogo na bede koma be no keta bate no keta bate no ka bede boot koro lero nani osiep na this thing is so much more common. This is don't want to how to miss when I punya kisungu gi koro nyisa ni bana gini ngi mabe sana but koro weri gi luoro tema gini kiket gima ungi kuomi chaka kodi just be you we chuno ni bed kaka ngane tupoki romo bedo kaka nga sure ne mana di ngacha ngenyo keswa miparo sawa. Koro this my friend Zeru actually kane pokwa dhiga shoot nigi koro nwakere nwatime weekly after every 2 weeks wadhi shooting winjo koko wuok maber wadhi can go 2 consecutive weekends sawa. Koro osiepna ne jachuny sana gimyo naero jaman no jachuny nikech nokonyal wuok town kapok achop mok tinga but ok but otinga gari koro rutino nyisene osiepna ka wane gari ka koro ing'eno loso ne kacha ne timo mok mele try to do it in a different way. Koro actually en mane temo rwaka ka to gine ka Lulu TV ka election I don't want to say no room but that is a bad word. Actually they went in a suspense. They went in a coma. A very nonchalant dini. Actually they went in a coma. Kuro actually ne jiu di yero. Kuro kakoro you be yero. Actually we were hangaika kidogo but I was nale mo siep na Chief JJ agolo some episodes do no kange kuma episode gi na gine no kano gi koro ema koro Kala TV biro penyika koro Kala TV ni actually the first 2 consecutive na wadigi Mr. Zeru do koro Mr. Zeru ni kumadugo la na kiaka koro nwase yuduti. I don't want to go into details on that one, my Lugubia's friend. I just want to place it. Ni ntiri kaka samono yudo dit moro. Koro noko yudo time. Madonjo. Biro shoot. Koro we get a new crew. We shoot go.
Okay.
Koro actually nagodulu. Nagadulu comedy. Apewa comedy which is in Luo. I was having this non-negotiable quote. Ginyo amabor marad. Koro actually forming my costumes, it came slowly, kidogo, up to something like some 6 months ago.
Okay.
Koro, I was meeting.
That is early this year, right?
Early this year. This year. Oh, nimesoea Jupiter sawa. Koro,
Right.
actually na ntika kana tembelea osiepe nani na gombo ga mondange mo about comedy win. Tarumo ngosiep na uni flako. Utis, mama utis, iwinjo. Sorry, that is magine ne. Koro, mama utis. He told me, ngosiep na itimo gini. Lakini you are creating boundary on your comedy. Iwinya Mr. Kachuchu. Kora chako unyisa osiep na ndo Kiswahili tukang'eyo. Ndo Kisungu ndo milimili. Nje nikuti neno marino. Very fine malich. Omia character majaluo. First thing, kapok isomo iti play character majaluo. Luo is a very expensive. In fact, Luos were not born. Actually,
Post kanye. Thank you so much, Janeno Maramaro. What are this Jalu Podwa do mana bang break? Remember ni kaindi one called ZP Production, Films Production for very nice shots that you can desire for your events. Try us anytime, any day. After short break. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Mana kamano Janeno Maro Marembwa TV. Bang break. Podwan kaindi kod Jaluo.
Nonchalant.
Koro pimna. Iwacha ni angomo iduogo koro bedo Jaluo.
Actually, kako osiepna no say insani bwana, you need to use English or Kiswahili.
Yeah.
And the character of Jaluo states that those are in Constitution. Article 136 says for you to be a Luo, English should be high, Kiswahili should be Tasha.
Constitution
136, my friend. I love people who misunderstand me.
Okay, fine.
Kori
Jaluo.
And nonchalant one. Cool. The journey of Jaluo.
Yes.
In Jaluo, my mentor was the case Serikali. As I started
Jaluo.
Koro, my first viral video. No kene Jaluo, but actually it was something relating to wache kipande. Mane wache ni kipande, manien kuchukua ni 2000 and renewing, I don't know, something, you know that story.
Yes.
So actually I was saying, what is 2000? We should be paying 5,000 for Nini and 10,000 for a new one. Actually, it went viral. Another one. Mr. President, there was a challenge. Mr. President, negine ni marugocho nejika ipenjo mbolea.
Yes.
Ulipata mbolea mweke huu? Actually, I did it.
Okay.
It went viral. I said, yes, Mr. President, I got mbolea, but I decided to give some of the needy people in Eritrea.
Okay.
Actually, yes. Upenya ni mbolea ulikuwa unanunua shilingi ngapi? Initially they were 7,000, but I used to pay $10,000 because 7,000 is a small amount.
To a Luo man.
To a Luo man. Upenya ni which lima eka ngapi of land. Initially, my friend, I have 1.8 million hectares in Colombia, 2.4 hectares in Australia, 7.8 million hectares in Israel, 19.1 million hectares in Jupiter. It went viral. So actually, I continue. Until I don't want to say it popped up, but I want to say very.
Even your copy mate.
So, character of Jaluo.
It is tasty.
It's so much, legalistic. It's something similar common. Actually, it's I don't know. I place it in simple terms. Oh, I don't want to get into details. So, cool. Number one, can you play character Jaluo? Your life must be expensive, even if behind the scene. What you need to be expensive. That's the first thing. Second thing, English. Another one. If you check the boards of professors in Kenya, and not in Kenya, but diaspora, places like Oxford University, most of them are Luo. Tielu Lumumba is a Luo. Dr. His Excellency Miguna is a Luo. Chashao. So actually these people get joke musumu sana. Koro kidwani relate to people. Jaluo. Okenya go Jaluo. Kiwacho Kisungu more ni Kisungu tabi. What are you saying? Yeah. To Kenya go Jaluo to Kiswahili nge phone. Isi nyoka Barbara Odinga wacho Kiswahili moriere.
Kweli.
Kenya vinjo. Koro Luo man, you need to be someone Kiswahili iko na small kama ochungulo chashawa.
Jaluo, give me inside being popular.
Actually, you can expand it, Sasha.
Since Koro ni bed ni Koro, you are known. You are in some category. So Nikoro in famous. You're in celeb. Let me use that term.
Hey, my friend.
In celeb. Hey, in celeb. So, being that in celeb, how is life inside being celeb?
Hey, my friend. Mata kena gol magi moniko kawai.
Okay.
My friend, Guinean kasoi. Ibro room negative comments.
Okay.
Bro, you do the positive comments.
Okay.
But kimoro ko se bedo tiji siepna. Kati ya nye. Unyakitime. Ija tokidi. Neka kotar. Ija rego. Neka kotar nyakedo wangi. Do king podi chio chido kumneti. Imi ya nye. Koro, let me say, I started it as a passion.
Okay.
But now, as we talk, all the teach me, okay, my friend. All the be a source of income. Utero to put do you con, put do passion. Some more utero and more work with to put do it's slightly graduating into my source of income. My share as a left deck. I'm very sure Nikagulu to get a looking here. That is very true.
No kafueni.
Hey, people know I'm a very big person.
You are a very old human.
I'm a very old human. And I want to admit that one. Because I'm a professor, a barrister, doctor, and etc. engineer. So. But behind the tent, I'm too young.
Too young. What are the challenges? Niyo duka ka inkoro sanika ka celeb wa mama.
Mama changu. Sasa hii nitatumia Kiswahili kidogo chetu ama nitumie tu Ingilisa.
Yani when you are using English ndika ki present your diaspora mawa mama ni. Koro nyisa na.
Okay.
Inside you.
First thing, you must know your audience.
Okay.
Kigo kimoro. Try to draw graph.
Okay.
Ni number, which age bracket?
Exactly.
More wako content marine. Ukanyarwa kuraka jaduunga matadhi moro nyatemate.
Awinji.
My friend. So you need to flex.
Kori moro mene.
Okay. I am entertaining between the age of 25 something like 45. That age bracket.
Just say the truth. 100.
Not 100, but most 75% of my audience. But Okdanga watching, I am stick to them, but I used to blend. Blending in new people's taste window. One generation man, one generation C, when Gen C, and large number of Gen Z in age bracket of something like 18 to 24. Mano Gen Z do. Koro nyaki yud gima moro gi ok dibugu ni ga jaluo ti we Gen Z bang.
Yes.
Koro mane mineno ka Gen Z kama Gen Z tumiamua ginene winjo. Igo content more relate gi Gen Z winjo. In millennial ma o favor Gen Z. That is what I'm telling. I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Koro ok ni koro waginene but ama mi wacho no.
Mane gima dani bi na. Yene loro. Aneni.
Ayo masijo sikere to ngigeno ero akuma Yesu Kristo nti.
Hey.
Okay. let me break this one down.
Break it.
Hey.
All right.
No?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Being the character I'm playing, ukila kaka mbaba. Kuri ngeni mbaba,
Dwaro mama.
Mara dwaro pan mama ni aya. We are telling him.
Yes.
Kuro in real sense. Yes, ngeni kibao low pi. Recho nyakibigo, lakini kiani en rech man.
Sure.
But ato rech man sine nuka ayo ahero ga negi winju. Eni gambuta mama dongo winju. Olopa duo. Okay, what I'm doing or attract to something like girls who are
Bana, make the long story short niya. Wa mama inugo.
I mean the bed.
Yewa, ada di penyo chalo.
Hey, meno akuso okay, wa mama tunti okulanga uodi.
Yeah.
But you don't give them
Chance.
Yes, chance.
But you give them your account details.
You are becoming personal
Oh,
now.
sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey.
What are this? Maisha maru celeb gi Josie Kedegi. Challenges mage mineno.
Josie Kedegi tukingeni ginto ginangina kawaida. Ginka ginano you are making a step in something.
Okay.
Nyaka gibi mang'eny. Koro inyiga ki minimize.
What can you advise them?
Wa mam. We umondi poda manye pesa mati.
Ngi kamera no lafi nyisi ngatu.
What is man? What is man?
Uwo ya mama.
Wa mama kujeni.
Nyisi.
Kujeni. We have 700 concubines and 1,000 wives.
Ya wacho ni gidwe gi lost pesa. Koro kiwach niyo kamera to koro gikuji. Yene baga. Yene baga. Address them.
Okay.
Advise someone.
Wa mama ni kujeni tu.
Mani. Okay.
Okay.
So,
my friend, you are becoming personal.
I'm sorry.
You are becoming personal
I'm
now.
sorry.
Hey, well, mama, if you feel like the Louis is a very nonchalant person, actually, you can just come close. It's not a bad idea. And we keep your TMB.
Mano ano kawacho. Mano imewacho. Inimedwaro.
Ngamadwaro.
Okay. Jaluo.
Yes.
Sani in Kisumu koso in Nairobi.
3 seconds after this time or now.
No. With your content creation.
Okay.
Your real life. Are you best because you said home ground and Homa Bay, but
okay. Thank you for that question.
Alafu koro Sani. Being that since ni bed celeb, intire dala koso ni shift to Nairobi.
Partly. But I am using strategic form.
Okay.
Dalumani angizi Rubabel, Maligubi as well as I started in Lulwe, Namako Kisuman Lola.
Okay.
I'm graduating.
Okay.
Achako Jalu. Amako Nyanza. Ivinjo. Kuro, I want Adwam Hako Kenya.
Okay.
Ivinjo.
Kenya ntima Nairobi.
Nairobi is the headquarters of Kenya. Kigo content Nairobi or spread. Ivinjo. Kuro go content manyalo bring kanyakla ivinjo.
Kain Kisumu to konya spread.
Kisumu spread, but Kisumu, I don't want to say, but Nairobi is the headquarters of everything.
Okay, what is the difference?
Ingenia, Jaluo en nga pakore. Okdabia pakre na Jaluo wadwa. Nyalore. Nikichime Jaluo, tabiro pakore ni. What you have is what I have. Man, we are not going to make comedy, my friend. What they got, and it was so much. I am telling them to know something. I expose my tribe.
There's something much under Jaluo. What are these?
Yes.
Edoka jika chako, togi chako giyom ground. Tokanga to selipuka. Musi chungo bear. Koro deka ode ibuere. What is the secret?
Okay, you are becoming personal again, but let me just answer that word. Okay, let me tell you the truth.
Yes.
CBD Nairobi, Talanta hela. Small thing,
you gain. Okay.
In Kisumu, people make use of you.
Okay.
Nairobi ya wich osiepna. Dala ka ok ya wich. Nairobi kila kitu ni
pesa.
Sumo kila kitu sio pesa.
Wadhiuru Kisumu. Wadhiuru Nairobi.
Unginga.
Ukija wingi.
My friend, I'm waiting you to give me chance to address people of Tanzania.
Okay. Okay. I'm giving you that chance.
Okay, no problem. Just go on.
Anani mondi watch Kiswahili, don't
it what? Kiswahili. Yes, I can say Kiswahili, but as I said in one of my manifestos, you know I'll be standing the president of Kenya in 2027.
Wait, Jaluo, wait. Jaluo, wait. Kakor watieko program maro makawuono kakor wado biro kanyo. In kaka Jaluo. Nitiere ng'ato mosetemo e industry ni. Ma ing'eyo samoro bende. Nitie ng'ato ma inuka. To king'iyo to samoro be gin gi talent. Moko be. What can you advise them?
Okay. Usiepna kirito mayot.
And what is the secret?
I'm the one now talking. Okay. My friend, let me look straight to camera.
Exactly.
You can search Zerubbabel. Penje ukuma uda diambo chake. Unge maler my story. My friend, this thing is not something makuru wengi mayot. If you don't want to perseverance, let me, I'm not what Kisumu, but I'm trying to place it in simple terms. Okay. Patience. Pace.
Okay.
Bedingat ma simple. Bedingat ma hardcore.
Okay.
Ikrine nindo kech.
Okay.
Iwinjo? Ikrine kale gik matek. Inki dwa mayot. Viwate rie polo. Mayot nie polo. Okay, you need to work hard. Working hard. Consistency. As you are starting, I said I started it as a passion. Kikiberi gi zeru no nyisa kikiberi gi paro moni kichako to gini chudo nade. My friend, no. Gol gini pachi kabisa. Inseche michake chak di chieng' moko Nyasaye yie wanu winj maber iwinj.
Okay.
Then itajipa tu siku moja. Don't ever say that idwa ene sani sawa. That is the only advice I want to give you upcoming. Just try your best. Don't look up to big people. I want to meet that one. Siku moja uomo. My friend, no.
In the next 5 years coming, and
as I said, 2027, I want to be the president of Kenya.
Okay. Good job, man.
My friend, what are you saying? My chama view bang but manifestos ikundani.
Give us call adani mondo ya address manifestos magi Kiswahili king'yo kamera cha. Nikech wadwa ni kaka in koro Jaluo. Wan kaka Rembo TV wanyoro waro mondo mi sponsor wa.
Okay, no problem.
Kaka Rembo TV wanyoro waro mondo mi sponsor wa. Koro inyalo nyiso wa ni inyalo sponsor wa giyo mane.
Okay.
Kiswahili koro inyalo ng'eyo kamera ti address.
The first thing getting into government. Takikisha Kiswahili sasa imetolewa. Tanzania imetolewa kwa African. Tanzania to be removed from the Africa.
I look at that.
Okay. Na semelea watu changu cha Tanzania na sasa nasema Kiswahili iliyosha sexy iliyosha nifu. Sasa nasemlea watu changu cha Tanzania mimi niko na sambamba katuti mimi ya bagi. Sasa nitakuwa na manifesto nyororo. Na nitahakikisha kila boma imeletewa chakula na loji anakala helicopter. Sasa semlea cha kwamba kuwe na watu.
Are you speaking English or Kiswahili? What are you saying?
I'm saying Kiswahili very.
Au kwa wingi kibiwacho.
Au kwa wingi.
Wachango.
Nasemlea sasa Rembo TV. Sasa nitaletea kamera zingine mpya from kutoka nchi za ng'ambo. Sawa. Sasa usikue na siku ni sawa. Asanteni sana watu changu. Sasa mimi Jaluo sawa.
Okay, right.
Oh, thank you so much.
Adwani mondo ka koro watieko last slot, mwatieko mogik, advising ato mondo ne Rembo TV kikimo miyo nego bed ni onene kaka Jaluo.
Okay, guys.
Use that camera.
We are in Rembwa TV.
Yes.
First, you subscribe into our channel called Rembwa TV.
Yes.
And Rembwa, I think Rembwa is #1 TV, online TV in Kisumu.
Yes.
And the next 5 years or next 3 months, I want to see Rembwa TV ahead and leading in all Kenya.
Sure.
So guys, turn on to Rembwa TV, watch, subscribe. Kuna bell up. Na usisahau subscriber kwa account yangu pia
tell them.
This 254 in all platform. You can follow, where to subscribe, you subscribe, where to comment, where to like. Ciao. Thank you so much.
They follow you.
They follow
Tell
me.
them to send you Lion on TikTok.
Okay, you can meet me at TikTok live. And kuna watu wameshinda you Lion. Sasa some of my M-Pesa, I can give one of my M-Pesa. Sasa you can text me using M-Pesa.
Okay.
Actually I'm using for people in around this way. Let me just say my number. I don't want to miss own bank account. Sasa
Okay.
0705 480053. That is my Lugubia's number.
Okay.
If you want to text me using M-Pesa, if you want to the jobs, the gigs, and everything, business,
okay.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
0705 480053. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Janeno Maroma Rembwa TV. Ma endene wan ka endi kod wood at this. Mabende ko ne wan go kaka wendo mar odiochieng' makawuono. Wood at this osenyisi ni inyalo mi platform, inyalo mi tich kopo ni in gi adverts moko midwaro ni mondo timni maler mar kaka jaluo. Ma endi e kama koro wa support e jogewa, ma e kama koro wachung'e gi jogewa, ma e kama koro wachung'e kod Rembwa. Mana emane ok ing'eyo ka koro watieko program kawuono. Samoro nyalo dwaro mar mondo mi utimni live coverage, samoro nyalo dwaro mar mondo mi utimni a professional video production, samoro nyalo dwaro bende mar mondo mi in gi events ni moko midwaro mar mondo mi obed covered. Idwaro some graphics. Kachicho Films together with ZP Production wantiere ka mar mondo mi wa cover up. Magi jok mo support, magi jok mo sponsor Rembwa TV nyaka kama entiere. Koro kidwaro those coverages, in the wedding, in the arus, in the funeral, anything to do with video production, we are here. You can call us for the professional work you desire. Kata kamano, nyaka next Friday, ticha bicho di ching machalo kawuono. Ane masebedo jatacheno mari longani Kachucho. Subscribe, share, shalom.